Guys, weather update February 14, araw ng mga puso guys. Yan yung mga guest natin. Sina Sir from Cavite. Yan. Happy Valentine's po sa ating lahat. Alright.
Galing pa China.
Oh, galing pang China. Shout out sir, galing from China.
Dick, say hi to the vlog. Kuya.
Hello sir, hello po, hello po. Nagpa-vlog tayo sir. Pa-support naman Jobin TV Boracay sa YouTube.
Yun, sige.
Yan, sir.
Shout out.
Yan. Enjoy Valentine's Day in Boracay.
Oh, today's Valentine's Day.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yeah, you. Very nice weather today, guys. Before taking the video.
Guys, yung sunset natin, guys.
And my phone is
Lapit.
alright. I'll just take videos of you. Video. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary for the two of you.
From Cavite yung guest natin, guys.
Sa YouTube ba yan, kuya?
Yes po, sir. Mamaya, sir. Upload to, sir. Mamaya.
Kaya kuya, i-ano kita.
Ano?
Artista pala si kuya eh.
Hindi naman, sir.
Panoorin na.
Maybe. Within 3 years.
Alimunin mo na sila. Arden Richards.
Legend Richards. Yan. Nice weather. Tara na sa Boracay, guys. It's summertime. Very nice weather. Yeah. Short video lang tayo, guys. Wala muna tayong beach walking. May other matters tayo na ginawa kanina, kaya di tayo nakapag beach walk. Sailing na muna tayo. Short video lang.
Monson. Ano pa?
Yung sunset, guys. Palabas pa lang yung sunset.
Time check.
Yan. Dito kami ngayon sa Station 3. Dito yung schedule namin. And shout out pala sa mga guests natin from Cavite. Hello. Yan, mga sir.
You asked me what's that?
Shout out.
The point that it's a spaceship. Is it a castle? Kuya?
Yan.
Sorry.
Chapel lang, sir?
Chapel.
Opo.
A castle
Pag
talaga.
may sir, pag may mga ikakasal na guest galing diyan sa loob, diyan po.